Hi guys. So today we're going to start Mystery Science number 3. And just to review, if you remember Mystery Science number 1, we tested the different liquids that would clean a penny. And we found out that salt and vinegar was the best way to clean off of a penny. And we learned that the copper mixed with the air and the oxygen in the air is what makes a penny turn a little bit darker, and the older the penny is a little bit darker. In the second mystery science, we took the same ingredients, the salt and the vinegar, and we put them in a bag with a nail. And the mason or the miner was challenged by the queen to turn his sword gold. So what we did is we ended up, I don't know if you can see it or not, you ended up turning our nail, which if you kind of look at it, it looks gold. It's actually more like rusty, and it actually kind of comes off my finger. So what happened was the copper from the pennies actually dissolved in the salt and the vinegar and then ended up going on to the nail. So the miner was able to fool the queen, and it wasn't really gold. Okay, so today I'd like to introduce my helper. I have, what's your name again?
Professor Smalls.
Professor Smalls. And we're going to test acids. And do you drink acids in home? Do you eat acids at home? So we set up our whole experiment here. And what kind of things do we have, Professor Smalls?
So we have baking soda and baking powder.
Baking soda and baking powder.
We have water and vinegar.
Okay. What did we do here? How did we get purple water?
We did
red cabbage.
You just said it.
We cut up red cabbage and we let it soak in water for an hour, and we ended up with purple water. So most of you have these ingredients. You can try this experiment at home, but you don't have to. But if you do, that would be great. I'll give you extra credit and you can send me the pictures. Okay, so what do you want to start with first, Professor Smalls? Let's see if we have a reaction. So we're going to put these things together, and then if you can look over here, we'll decide, see if it has a reaction or not. So what do you want to do first?
I want to try water and baking soda.
Okay, so we made a little bit of a kind of a, what would you call it, dropper, homemade dropper out of Wawa straws. So we're going to put the baking soda first onto
right there.
And then we're going to put a dropper of water. What do you guys think? What do you think? Do you think there's going to be a reaction between water and baking soda?
I don't know.
You don't know? You want to take a guess? I don't think there's going to be. That's my guess. Let's see. Nope.
Nope.
Okay. All right. Now let's try purple liquid and water. Purple liquid and water. Hey, Professor Smalls, where'd you go?
Oh, I'm back.
You get distracted easily, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Purple liquid and water. We're going to try now right here.
This is going to stay for water.
Okay.
For liquid. I think it's just going to turn pink.
Yeah? Do you think it'll do anything?
That wasn't that much. It looks normal.
Okay. It's okay. You don't need a lot. And now try the water with it and see. Do you think anything's going to happen? I don't think anything's going to happen. Do you think there's acid in cabbage?
Maybe.
I don't know.
I don't eat cabbage. It's a good thing.
When you eat salad, you might put.
Well, I don't eat lettuce.
I don't see anything. Okay, now let's try water and baking powder.
Water and baking powder. Baking powder is over there.
Yep.
I'll use this one.
Your lab coat's a little big, huh?
Oh, that was your hand. I thought I was knocking over something.
Lab coat's a little big, huh?
That's why they call me Mr. Professor Small. I used to be big.
So baking powder and water. What do you think? Can I have a reaction? Maybe. I don't think
it's kind of like soft, so I think it's gonna turn like mud or concrete.
Yeah, maybe. Kind of just sitting right on top, huh?
No, there's no reaction.
Okay.
It's
So now
turning
let's
into like
try
concrete.
like mud.
Like mud, yes.
All right, let's try
It's
vinegar and baking soda now.
Vinegar and baking
I'm gonna
soda.
put the baking soda down first.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. And these mats, if you guys want to try it, I added them to a Google slide. So you can just print out the Google slides and you'll have the mats that we're using. And then we have press and seals, but you could probably just use wax paper or what do you think?
Press and seal stick so they won't move around.
Yeah,
so
the press and seal's working pretty nicely.
See a reaction.
Did you see that? Put some more vinegar in it.
That one.
Put some more vinegar in it, Brian.
Put some more vinegar in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So vinegar and baking soda had a reaction, and that's actually what we use to erupt volcanoes. So if we were to make homemade volcanoes, we would put baking soda and some vinegar in it, and it would kind of look like a little eruption. So there is some type of acid in the vinegar.
Yeah.
Isn't it? And sometimes if you're trying to erupt volcanoes, we put dish soap in it, maybe some food coloring, makes it look some bubbly hot lava. All right, so now we're going to try what?
Powder first, right?
No, the next one is purple liquid.
Purple liquid and vinegar.
Purple liquid, then baking powder.
Okay.
Then we go.
And vinegar. What do you think?
I feel like it's going to react.
I don't know. Well, we're learning that vinegar is an acid.
Maybe I didn't get
bubbled up. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Well, I think that did it change color at all or no? Just got
It is. It's like
pink now.
Pink.
It went from purple to pink, right? Because that is what colors become acid and base when you test. If it's a base, it'll be one color. If you
So it
test
changed colors.
It changed it from purple to pink.
Wow.
Now we do baking.
We should try putting the vinegar in there later, maybe.
I want to try putting some of that in the glass of vinegar.
Okay, well,
okay, afterwards.
What's next?
Baking powder and vinegar now.
Baking powder is over here. Not that much. I'll get that. This is gonna probably react.
Vinegar.
Yep. Oh, that one's dirty. Okay, so now we go right here. Vinegar.
Wow.
It's reacting.
Look at that. Put some more vinegar in it.
Okay. This might be another way to make a volcano.
Yeah, you're right. That's a big piece.
Go all the way to get more vinegar in there. Go all the way to the
Use
bottom.
the spoon.
There you
Use
go.
the spoon. Or yeah, put more in the straw. Whoa. Okay.
That's a better way to make a volcano, but it's kind of oozing.
We used water, the non-acid, and the vinegar is what?
Vinegar is an acid, so that's why it's affecting it.
Okay, so now let's try this mystery substance number 1.
So now we add vinegar to that?
Let's see.
So I just pour some into that so I catch up?
The mystery.
Good job, Professor.
Okay, so it's ketchup. Let's see what happens.
Sorry. Nope.
That's our dog
You know
back
why?
there snoring.
I think because ketchup is full of acid already.
Acid
Tomatoes are very
and an
acidic.
acid.
So acid and acid isn't going to necessarily react too much.
Okay, now try it with this mystery number 2. Our dog's snoring in the background. Not interested in this.
Nope.
Nothing.
So this was salt water.
Salt.
Which
water.
is a non-acid.
And this was just ketchup.
Yep. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed our lesson. Watch the Mystery Science video, the entire thing, and then answer your questions on Google
And maybe
Forms.
next week you'll see me again. Bye.
Bye.
The snorer.
Not interested in the science lesson. I wonder if you put vinegar in the...